Welcome back. I have a quick short video here just for the people who want to go to auction. They've got an auction tomorrow and they really need some succinct way of planning the amount that they're going to bid. Hence this document that you see here. This is the auction strategy worksheet that I've created to make it simple and black and white. I think that's the best way to be on auction day, is black and white. Have everything black and white before you start to bid. Consequently, you can see here that you can just probably print off a couple of these if you're going to a couple of different auctions. The whole purpose of it is to make sure that you have the conversation with someone before you go. All right. Even if you don't have a partner that you're purchasing a home with, even if you're talking with your mum or your next door neighbor or your friend at work. So you can see on this document, there is room for the address of the home which you are going to bid on, the auction date and time, in case there's more than one home that you're interested in, which often occurs. The starting bid. This is the place where you think, if you've watched my other videos on how to bid at auction, you will know that you should come in at a certain point with a certain tone of voice with your first bid. And so your starting bid should be just below your dream price. Okay, so probably if you got the home for 70% of the estimated market value, that would be a dream price. That's where I would start your bidding. And then the fair price. This is where you start to slow your bidding. This is where you think, okay, well, this is what I believe is the market value for this home. So if it was a $1 million property, you might have started the bidding at $700,000. And then you might be slowing it down as you approach $920,000. And then your absolute highest price is where you will stop bidding. Your bids will maintain their consistency, the same tone, the same volume, the same confidence, the same body language, all the way through, right up until your last dollar. Don't start to look a little bit like twitchy or nervous or fidgety as you're getting towards that absolute highest price, which might be $1,025,000, depending upon everything to do with your own scenario. So that's my auction strategy worksheet. I encourage you not just to print it out and fill it out. I also encourage you to discuss it with a trusted friend so that you can just help to have a bouncing board, so you can help to have it all straight in your own mind. It gives you more confidence on the day because you've got your mind black and white, no gray areas.